Good morning everyone, this is Wei from Early 7 Farm. Today we're going to do a trial sowing of corn fodder. We've seen this around in YouTube, so we're going to try and grow corn seeds, and hopefully we can have a fodder that we can feed our turkeys, geese, ducks, pigs and goats. So please stay with us as we share with you the step-by-step process on how we're doing it. We will be using this tray that I purchased from a local store here for a good price. This will be the one that we're going to use as trial for the corn fodder that we will grow. So we're just using a pointed, you can use a nail or a pointed steel, put it in fire to hit it. So we're doing this at the same time nagluluto si Robert para magamit namin yung apoy. So Robert is just putting a hole, small hole at the four corners of the tray. So we are putting the corn that we have soaked for 2 days in the tray. So we will see if this will sprout in the next 5 days. We will use this as feed for our goat, pigs, chickens, turkeys and geese. So most of the animals would benefit if this will be a successful experiment for us. So we just need to lagyan mo, Bert, ng ano, kahit ganito, oh, kawayan para nakaangat siya.
Baka pag tumubo.
So we're going to put bamboo pole to elevate the trays so it will not be touching the soil underneath. So we're just reusing some of the wood around the farm for this. As you can see, the chickens are already getting to it. Okay, so this will elevate the trays. What we're going to do every day is to water this, soak them good enough, and the holes will help it drain properly. So we need to do this in the morning and in the afternoon, or depending how hot the weather is. But the idea is to keep this watered every day and the water will just drain below it. What we're going to do next is to cover this with plastic or sack so it can add additional heat for the corn seeds. We will give you an update on the progress of this experiment in the next 5 days if it grows or not. This is day 5. It sprouted, but I'm not sure if the other seeds would continue to sprout. Bert, nadiligan mo to? Ngayon? So I think we can continue to do this. It will sprout. It's just that it needs to have sunlight as well. So I think the experiment is a success. We just need to make sure the next time would be a much warmer, or at least the sun can warm the seeds so it will grow much faster. But it has grown. I'm not sure about the other seeds if they will still grow, but this is already a good start. So we have roots going. So we are continuously doing trials here at the farm to grow fodder for the animals. This is healthier for them, as well as it will save us cost on the feeds that we're giving them. So if this is something that you think that interests you and can apply to your farm or to your homestead, please do like, comment, subscribe, and share to your family and friends. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.